So this is the final look. Wait, no, absolutely not. What am I talking about? Hold on, the star of the show. I forgot the star of the show. Wow.
Tell me what you want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go need it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing well, even though everything's what's happening right now in the world. Like, try to keep yourself sane and just have postponed this video for the longest because of everything that's happening. I haven't been feeling like filming anything. I haven't been feeling like myself, basically. However, I did promise you guys that I was gonna do a review on this collection, so this is what we're doing in this video. Una primera impresión de la colección de Makeup Revolution, the Glow collection. If you guys want to know how I got this look, what I did, y le interesa saber, you know, aprender, whatever, then keep on watching. So I'm just gonna start with telling you guys what I got. So I got the Revolution Body Glow Blending Brush, which is this one right here. Then I got two of the matte bronzers. I got medium, I got medium and I got medium dark. And then I got the Revolution Beam Dream Iridescent Primer, which is this one right here. And then I got the Revolution Heatwave Shadow Palette, which is this one. This shade is huge, like humongous, like hella big. And then of course I got the Revolution Molten Body Glow, and this is in the shade bronze. Unfortunately, for some odd reason, I don't see that it says bronze on the actual bottle, but it says bronze on my receipt. So I'm just gonna do my makeup as I normally do my makeup. I'm going to go straight in with the eyes. Voy a empezar con los ojos primero. ¿Ustedes ven lo grande que es esa paleta? Like, what? I love amo the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Like, this is just like golden rose gold situation. It just gives me summer golden vibes, you know? So when you open it up, this is what the palette looks like. I see a lot of warm tones. I see a lot of like shimmery, but then you also have like the pop of blue. Really caught my attention. Me gusta mucho los colores. Like, I really like the colors in this palette. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. So we're gonna jump right into this palette. I'm just like, I don't know what color I want to use. No sé qué color usar. Yes, I'm gonna go with the shade number 2. I'm just kind of concentrating that on my outer section, en la parte de afuera. I'm gonna take this shade right here. Okay, so I just put that coral shade on my inner section of en mi ojo. I don't really know if I like where this is heading. Like, this eyeshadow, like, I don't actually know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna take this brown shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on my outer V, right below the first color that I used. I will link everything in the description bar down below, like all the products that I'm using, and yeah, I will put direct links to the products that I'm using, so you guys can go and see, in case you guys want to buy and whatnot. I'm gonna use the blue color, okay? I'm gonna use the blue color in the palette. Okay, so I'm taking the blue color, and I'm just going to. Yo, this is intense. So I'm just gonna take the brush that I used to place the brown, just to like blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more blue. Yo, this blue is pretty. Like, when I tell you it's pretty, it's pretty. Like, it's pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna use the Beam Dream Face and Body Illuminating Primer. This is the one from the collection. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of like, oh, I like that. That's cute. Is it like iridescent? It's like iridescent. Oh wait, hold on. This smells so good. This smells like pineapple. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god. Esto huele buenísimo. This smells so freaking good. And everybody that knows me knows I love everything pineapple. So, yeah. Ooh, it's like pink. Okay, I've never used a primer like this before. Ever. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if it's gonna fit my skin tone, pero está bonito. El rosadito que tiene. El rosado glowiness. It gets kind of like tacky. Como un poquito, se pone como un poquito pegajoso, which I guess is good because it makes the makeup stick. Yeah, so that was the primer. I almost forgot I got the primer, I'm not even gonna lie. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and I'm in the shade Caramel. I'm going to do cream contour with the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer in C14. I'm gonna blend out my contour first, as I always do. So blending out concealer, and as I said, I'm doing my regular makeup routine. This is literally what I would normally do. I always look hella white when I blend out my concealer. So just, if you're new here, yo siempre me veo pila de blanca, bastante blanca, cuando estoy difuminando mi corrector. Pero después yo me pongo del color que voy. O sea, de mi color. I'm gonna take some of my foundation, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F13. Just gonna take that in the places where basically I didn't conceal. Fuck, I got it on my lace. Ya me estoy viendo más o menos normal. So now I'm just going to set my under eyes with the Sacha Buttercup loose setting powder. So now I'm just going to do like this with my brush and just dust all the excess powder that I just put on. I'm literally just doing like this. Make sure your hands are clean. Que te limpia tus manos. I'm just gonna work the powder into my skin. Okay, so I just put on my lashes and I did my wing liner. We're gonna move on to the bronzers. So aquí tengo el Revolution Glow bronzer in medium, and this looks like this. Then here we have a medium dark. I think my bronzer shade is gonna be medium. In medium dark, I could possibly use it as contour. Yes, because it's way too dark. So this is the medium dark. They're huge. They are big. Everything in this collection is just big. Okay, so this one right here is the medium, and this is the medium dark. I'm gonna take the Sigma. Ooh, I'm gonna do like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First of all, this is too dark for me, period. Like, I shouldn't even use this as contour, to be honest. It's just too dark for me. Like, I can do it, but I had to be really light-handed because it is really pigmented, which is a good thing, of course. Realmente este me queda muy oscuro. No creo que le dé tanto uso necesariamente. So, ese fue el más oscuro, medium dark, más oscuro that I bought. I'm not sure how many colors they have or anything like that. I don't remember. Now I'm gonna go with medium and I'm gonna use it as my bronzer. Okay, pigment. Okay. Okay, I gotta say though, they did a good job with this one. Este sí me gustó because they, ooh, I put on way too much. Okay, me puse demasiado, so I'm just going to like tone that down a little bit. I think this is a really pretty bronzer. Me gusta. Como bronceador está divino divine. So con este mismo bronceador voy a definirme la nariz. I'm gonna contour my nose with the shade medium. I like it though. It looks nice. I like the formula. Like, it's really, I think it's really pretty. Why can't I open this up? Like, this is hella pigmented. You guys see that? I like it. This is cute. This is nice. I'm gonna take a cork from MAC. So ahora voy a coger una brocha pequeña. I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to take the coral shade I put right here. I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line. And I'm just gonna put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna take some MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna spray that. Just take the back of a beauty sponge. I'm just gonna press in all my products. I'm gonna mix this one and then this one for my highlight. So first I'm gonna go with the dark one. Okay. I'm not mad at it at all. Then now I'm going to go in with the lighter one on top of that. But not too much though, just a little bit. What I'm going to spray my Fix Plus again. Concentrating on my highlight, so I can press that in to my skin. So to finish off the look, I'm going to use a lip gloss. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss. It's in peach tea. So this is the final look. Wait, no, absolutely no. What am I talking about? Hold on, the star of the show. I forgot the star of the show. Wow. The Body Glow, of course, with the brush. So let's open up the brush. This is the Body Glow. And as I said, this is in the shade Bronze. And then here you have the brush. It's a cute shape to it. So I'm just gonna put it on my chest. I'm gonna take the brush and I'm just going to, like, I guess, spread it. This smells so good. It smells just like the primer. It smells like pineapple and it's giving me summer vibes. Okay, Glow. Okay, I see you, Makeup Revolution. Okay. Oh my god, are you guys seeing that? A little goes a long way, clearly, and it's not, the brush is really not picking up much as far as what I can see. Oh my god, if you put this on, you don't need perfume because this shit smells so freaking good. This smells so good. It's not even, I'm not taking a full pump. I'm literally not even taking a full pump, which is crazy. And I feel like a little goes a long way. Okay, but this glow, can you guys see that? Cause baby. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little first impression review makeup tutorial of the Glow collection from Makeup Revolution. My final thoughts on this whole collection is that I really like it. I think it's really like summer, is giving me all the summer vibes that I want. It's giving me glow. It's giving me color on the eyes, baby. And it's giving me like, it's giving me a lot, it's giving me a bronze face. The only thing that I didn't like is that from the shade range, most of the bronzers were not with a red undertone. They didn't have like a warm undertone. And that makes it more like a contour shade. As you guys saw, I did use one of them as a contour and the other one as a bronzer. Other than that, the whole collection just smells really good. Even the bronzers smell really good. Like, it smells like pineapple. Everything smells like pineapple. A mí me encantó esta colección. I think it's really nice, really cute, really summery. No cuesta tanto, so like, why not buy it, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Adios!